Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Sahas MT. So today I am Sahas Mittal is back with a new topic light. So let's begin. So first of all, introduction to light. The world as we know is largely known as through senses, and the sense of sight is one of the most important senses. It is only when the light from an object enters the eyes that we see it. The light might have either emitted by the object or reflected by it. Light is the energy that let us see. Light is emitted from source such as sun. The word usually refers to visible light, which is visible to human eye and responsible for the senses of light. So in simple words, you can say the a form of energy which gives the sensation of seeing objects is known as light. Next is, how do we see objects? Our eyes alone don't allow us to see. Light from a source falls on an object and then bounces off onto our eyes, and that is how we perceive it. Next is reflection. Reflection of light, or you can say reflection. Light gets reflected off surfaces. Any surface that is really well polished or shiny acts as a mirror. The phenomenon of light bouncing off the surface is called reflection, or you can say the phenomenon of bouncing back of light from a surface of an object is known as refraction of light. Next is regular or diffuse refraction. Reflection from which smooth surface like mirror that follows the law of reflection is called regular reflection. It is also called specular reflection. It is a reflection from polished surfaces. Reflected rays are parallel to each other. The image is seen in reflecting surface. It can be seen in plain mirror, a new stainless steel, plain water, etc. Next, reflection of a surface that has irregularities where it does not follow laws of refraction is called irregular or diffuse reflection. It is in the picture you can see incident rays and reflected rays of diffuse refraction. Next is image formation in plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual. Erect and object and image are equidistant from the mirror. The image formed in a plane mirror undergoes later inversion. Next one is difference between the real and virtual image. A real image is formed by actual convergence of light rays. In optics, a virtual image is an image formed by outgoing rays from point on an object. Always driver image appears to be located at the part of apparent divergence because the rays never really converge. A virtual image cannot be projected onto a screen. Next is multiple reflections. Two mirrors inclined to each other give multiple images due to multiple reflections. When an object is kept between two parallel plane mirrors, infinite images are formed. Or you can say the phenomenon in which we get multiple images of an object is known as multiple reflections. Next is dispersion of light. The splitting of light into a component colors is called dispersion, like example rainbow. Or you can say the phenomenon of splitting of white light into component of colors. Next is human eye. Human eye is a spherically shaped sense organ, diameter about 2.3 centimeter, that give the sense of sight and help us preserve colors and depth. Functions of different organs in the human eye. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane that forms a transparent bulge on the front of the eye called the cornea. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is a small opening in the center of the iris. The lens which is behind the pupil helps us to adjust the focal length required to clearly focus on objects that at various distances. The retina is the screen where the images get formed. It is a delicate membrane with a large number of photosensitive cells called rods and cones. Cones are sensitive signals. Bright light signals are sensitive to dim light. The optic nerve transmits the electrical signals from the eye to the brain. Now, visual defects. Visual defects include the inability to see near objects or the inability to see far objects. In old people, the lens becomes cloudy, a condition like cataract that impairs vision. Now, Braille system. The Braille is the most commonly used by the blind to read. The Braille script is an alphabet set used by the blind for reading and writing. Each Braille chart is made up of combination of 6 dots arranged in a matrix form. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you can get more videos to clear your doubts.